Naga, here you, soar you, Shokaku and Suikaku are steaming towards a point of no return to the north of our island base. Two young servicemen called down and said we have a large flight of aircraft coming in from the northwest. Their skipper said, don't worry about it. You all go ahead and go to breakfast. He didn't say it, but he was under the impression that it was just a flight of and without warning, ladies and gentlemen, 238 aircraft launched from those aircraft carriers started an invasion of our island base at Pearl Harbor. The date, December the 7th, 1941. To put together a battle plan that would allow the Japanese to invade Pearl Harbor. The Americans did not recover, and therefore the Japanese would be able to run God over the Pacific Islands. Kanaka gave them a 5-inch gate with a specially designed torpedo between the wheel wells. They had only perfected this about a month ahead of the invasion. They knew they had to have a weapon that would run shallow in the water at Pearl Harbor across the top of the submarine deck. Indeed, ladies and gentlemen, it is believed that two Legion submarines launched from the mother subs had gotten through the entrance to Pearl Harbor in late alongside Port Island. A 250-pound bomb between the wheel wells. Rolls up on the wingtip. Takes aim on the United States westbound ship, the Arizona. It started down towards the foredeck of the Arizona. It dropped its bomb first one, then two, then three decks, right into the forward magazine. This great ship exploded with such force that when she would settle back into the water, a full flame, 1,200 American sailors had gone to a watery grave. Two young servicemen managed to get their P-40